Imagine flying thousands of kilometers without a map, a phone, or even a basic compass. Sounds impossible, right? Yet millions of birds do it every single year, crossing oceans, deserts, and entire continents. And they almost never get lost. So the big question is, how do birds navigate with such unbelievable accuracy? First, birds use something humans don't have, a built-in biological compass. Many species can actually see Earth's magnetic field. Inside their eyes are special light-sensitive proteins that allow them to detect magnetic signals, literally letting them see direction. For birds, north and south aren't just ideas, they're visible. But that's only the beginning. Birds also navigate using the sun during the day and the stars at night. Some birds memorize the position of constellations, using them like a moving celestial map. As the sky shifts, they adjust, just like expert pilots reading the heavens. Then there's memory. Birds remember landmarks, rivers, coastlines, mountains, even cities. Over time, these features form a mental GPS far more reliable than any smartphone. And young birds? Many inherit these roots genetically, born already knowing where to go. Even weather plays a role. Birds sense air pressure, wind patterns, and subtle changes in temperature, allowing them to choose the safest and most efficient path. All of this working together in perfect harmony. So the next time you see birds flying high above, remember, they're not wandering. They're following ancient instructions written into their very DNA. No maps, no GPS, just pure natural genius. Nature always knew the way,